Dígwyd YouTube, Conas thouhg, Nollaig Shona Gach Duine. Well, it's Christmas Day. This vlog is incredibly late coming. I intended on doing it yesterday, but between one thing and another and getting the house ready for guests and catching up on YouTube, it didn't get done. But it's getting done now, and that's the most important thing. Why am I shooting in an alcove in my room? Because I wanted to show you the calendar. I've been trying to catch up with my my YouTube, as I said, but one of the calendars says the 29th, the other one says the 31st, and the other one says the 31st. Now, you know, and I know, there are 31 days in December. But I don't know why it doesn't include them on some of the calendars. One of the other calendars downstairs has 30 days on it. And Charlie was saying that his Justin Bieber calendar only has 30 days on it. It's just kind of like, someone's not printing these things right. But I don't know, it's alright. I've recently found a couple of new channels that I like. Shout out to Bri and Marcus. I found your channel again, and I found another channel that I caught by the brothers Winn. I found it years ago, and then they stopped making videos, and I lost the channel. But that's called What You Ought to Know. I'll put all the links to these down below, and I'll annotate some of them as well. This is another little project for my new year. It's going to be, it's all kind of just quotes. I have to repaint my room anyway, so they're all going to be gone, but I shall put them up maybe on that wall over there, maybe. I don't know, haven't decided, it's a work in progress. Other than that, I've been reading a couple of articles online. I've been trying to catch up with stuff online because of work I haven't had a chance to do anything, basically. But I'm alright. I'm enjoying it anyway. I wanted to see what you all got for Christmas. So please tell me down below if you got anything nice. Some of my friends are saying they got loads of stuff, and some of my friends are saying they got a few bits and pieces, but all stuff that they wanted and needed. And that's the most important thing. I asked for a teapot. So I got a teapot and a little cup to go with it, and it's nice. I sent my sister in basically to get it in a little shop on Wicklow Street called the Palace thouhg, and they had all sorts of teapots and things like that, and I only saw one in the window that I liked, and but she said, look, pick me something you think I will like. So she did. By the by, in case you can't see it, this is the Christmas jumper in all its glory. The one that I said the one that was 70 odd euros had red sequins on his nose. I was like, I'm not paying 30 quid for sequins. So, nuts to that, but I like it. I had to get it, and I couldn't believe that I walked past the shop about 15-20 times looking for it. But then when you're looking for things, I suppose they're right in front of you. So Christmas was good. I don't know what time I was up this morning, but I went down about 2:30 to put my presents under the tree for everybody, and I defied the temptation to, you know, rattle a few presents and check things out. Oh, that was the other thing I got. I got a couple of gift vouchers for shops in town. I want to get new climbing gear, so that's what I asked my parents and my family for. Just, you know, something to contribute towards getting gear, because it's blasted expensive, but once I have it, I'll be good. So that's that. Little lowdown on what I'm doing for Christmas, for Christmas week. I'm going, today's Christmas Day. I'm hiking on Stephen's Day, hopefully, and hopefully I'll get a vlog up for that. I'm climbing on the 27th, so I'll try and get a vlog for that. I'm in work the 28th, and then I'm going to see The Hobbit that evening with my uncle, which should be great crack. A couple of my friends have seen it like 2 or 3 times, and they're going, yeah, let's go and see it again. And I'm like, okay, must be good. But I'll let you know. I think I haven't read the book, and I'm not a big fan of the Lord of the Rings, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, one last thing before I go. well, one thing before the thing before I go. I got a video of, I was looking to do some graffiti with people in work, because one of the guys does it and teaches it to the young people. And I came across this piece of graffiti in the city weeks ago, and I never even thought to try and record it, so I'll link that at the end, because I thought it was fantastic. And you know, tell me what you think. Finally, I will just say Merry Christmas. I hope you all got what you wanted. I hope you all had a lovely time, whether it was with your family, your significant others, whatever, on your own. It is what you make it. So Merry Christmas again. Nollaig, Shona, Gach, Duine. Gur míle maith agat for watching. Stay tuned for the new year. I don't know what I'll have planned, but we'll see what happens. And slán go fóill.
No,